In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a bid on Stockx. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Stockx. When the results appear, click the official site. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure the URL ends with stockx.com. That keeps you on the legitimate marketplace and helps protect your information. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign up or log in. If you're new, creating an account takes just a moment, and you'll want to have a valid payment method and a shipping address ready, so checkout is smooth later. If you already have an account, sign in as usual. It's always a good idea to keep your account secure with a strong password and, if available, two-factor authentication. Next, choose the product you want to bid on. You can use the search bar to find a specific item or browse by category. On the product page, you'll see market data like recent sales, current asks from sellers, and top bids from buyers. Take a second to scan those numbers. They're helpful for deciding how aggressive or patient you want to be with your offer. Click Make Offer to start your bid. Depending on the item, you may need to select a variation such as size, color, or other specifications. Pick the exact option you want so the bid applies to the right version, then proceed. Now choose from the pricing options or type in your own price. You can anchor your bid to the recent sale prices or aim just below the current lowest ask if you're willing to wait. Keep in mind that a higher bid increases the chance a seller accepts quickly, while a lower bid may require more patience. Set your expiration next. Choose how long you want your bid to stay live. Commonly 1, 7, 30, or 60 days. If no seller accepts before your deadline, your bid automatically cancels. You can adjust or withdraw an active bid anytime before it's matched. Finally, review and confirm. Add or confirm your payment and shipping details, then carefully review the total, including shipping, processing fees, and any applicable taxes. When everything looks right, submit your bid. You'll see a confirmation, and your offer goes into the live market for sellers to consider. From your account, you can monitor the status, raise your price if you want a faster match, or let it run until it expires. That's all there is to it. Confident, informed bidding on Stockx.